6. Welcome to week number 10, online teaching and learning. And I'm so excited, guys, to introduce PowToon to you guys. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to sign in or how to create an account. Then after that, you're then going to choose your role. Once we're done choosing our role, then in this lesson, guys, remember this is me introducing you to an app that we can use for presentation. But this week we're doing it slightly different. I'm not saying to you guys try this and try that. Instead, guys, I'm saying I need you guys to explore on your own, check how it works, go everywhere, test everything on this app, and once you finished testing and trying everything, then I'd like you guys to tell me, what did you do? What do you think? What do you think you're going to create in the future with this app? Then in the following week, I'm then going to show you what we can do with PowToon. But this week, guys, is just you exploring. So let's get started. How do we start? Let's say already you've opened your Google account, and just at the top on address bar, you're then going to type PowToon. Okay, PowToon, it's right there. It says PowToon Video Maker. Make video and animation. So we're going to make videos, and I'm going to show you how to do that, and the animations as well. So the first one at the top, you're going to click on it. Okay, it's going to bring you onto this page. I need you guys, top right corner right here, please click on sign up. And after signing up, it's going to sign up to PowToon. Please, let's go to the bottom. We're just gonna say sign up with Google. Sign up with Google. And I need you guys to click on your email address, your school email address, because we already signed in with your Google account. Okay, now the next part is they want to know who are you? So you say corporate manager, team member, SMB, entrepreneur. With this arrow, guys, I need you guys to follow instruction quickly. And with this arrow, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to come to this part. You guys are going to click student. A student. I'm a teacher. I'm going to click on this one, teacher. Remember, guys, we are using a free version, so nobody's paying anything. So this is the page that we've been looking for or waiting for. So they're gonna get you a message to just ignore those messages. So right here, these are the project that I've created before. I've created this one, Ghana the Black Star, and I've created anti-bullying, and this one doesn't have a name as well. So this is the page where you guys now, I need you guys to navigate, to go around and check things around. So you have this, what video would you like to create today? So there's lots. So there's lots. You're going to explore on those. Let me scroll down and see if you can go down. No, cannot go down. So this is home. So we've got templates, right? So we have templates. You click on templates. So we've got tons and tons of templates. I need you guys to explore, check them out. Just do anything that you like. Click, try everything. Remember, this is presentation, so you're gonna have a lot of options to choose from, and I need you guys to do that. Explore, check it out, how it works. For instance, let's say you wanna do the timeline, you can do that as well. You're gonna go down to maybe invitation. There's lots. So there's lots. You're gonna start using those next week. I'll show you what to do exactly. So there's lots. So go in there and check it out. For instance, let me go up. I want to show you something quickly before I move to the next one. So in fact, this one, it says COVID-19 training infographic. You check it out. So I'd like to show you this one here. So when you click on it, it then shows you how it looks like or how it works or what it does. For instance, that does that with the people there. And if you like to use this template, then you can use it. Like for instance, when you take people through the steps, you can use this one. That's step number 1, custom. You do that. Step number 2, it moves, and man, this is beautiful. See. This is actually beautiful. The cartoons, they're moving, and you can then, I will show you in the next coming lesson, you can move them around and It's exciting to see this, guys. This is presentation. You're gonna have fun. You're gonna be exposed to a lot of presenting and presentation tools. Okay, so we have lots of that, and we're going to come here again. You check that out. So this is import. So import, let's say you worked on a PowerPoint presentation. Previously we worked on Google Slides, and we created my content presentation. So you can just download that from your Google account. Then when it gets to your computer, it's then going to be saved as a PowerPoint. So you can download, import it. I will show you how to do it next week. Then you can create a lot of things, capture this side. How do you want your presentation to look like? So this is the size, 16 to 9, 1 to 1. How big do you want? And it tells you, okay, you're creating for Facebook and Instagram, you're creating for what and for what and for what else. Guys, this week I'd like you guys to explore. And once you're done exploring, done playing around, done checking how this app works, I need you then to write to me in Google Classroom, guys, and let me know, what did you do? What do you think? What would you use PowToon for in the future? Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. Give me feedback. It's more like now you're going to analyze this app, and you're then going to tell me what do you think about it and how you will use it in the future. This is what we need to do this week. We're not creating anything. We're just exploring, and I'd like you guys to have fun. Just wear your creative hat, bring your creativity into your space, and have a lot of fun. Once you're done, tell me what you did and submit it in Google Classroom. I cannot wait to see your feedback. I cannot wait to see how and what you did on PowToon. Guys, I'll see you in the next lesson.